Oh, it's fucking raining today. How do you feel about the rain, Sean?
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Your head's on fire, Ash.
I'm so fucking hot, dudes. What can I say? Is that just for symmetry purposes?
Yes.
Or?
It's for drying purposes as well.
So you can get it on his Instagram.
The phone's going to die, sadly.
Oh yeah.
It would.
For the gram.
Everything, this whole trip is for the gram, don't you understand?
Don't you understand?
Don't you understand?
It's all been for the gram. All of it!
It's all a lie.
It's all a lie. It's all fake.
I hate all of you.
But for the
I
gram.
don't want to be
I'll
here.
do
Yep.
Yeah, I just want some fucking porridge.
Just want some fire.
I want an Irish coffee.
Me too.
That'd be amazing.
I want some whiskey.
Whiskey.
Warm me cockles.
It warms the cockles.
Nice. It's a nice stump.
Thank you.
Mountain man.
Oh, I think the other one's hard. What's the fire do you use? Give it here. Use Ryan's Herculean strength. There we go.
Nice.
It's a little bit wonky. Oh, you fucking cunt.
Whoa! Fuck me, that was good, man.
You smoked a receipt.
What was that fun?
I'm high as fuck right now.
It's right. It's gonna oh my god, what the hell is it? It's harassing you. Oh, Harry, it's on your back. Ah! It's on your face. Oh my god, it's all over your back.
Hump the tree.
God, Dad. God. 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 Oh.
So beautiful.